Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever juggled multiple Asana projects and wished you could just merge them together, you're not alone. The catch? Asana doesn't have a built-in merge feature. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple, reliable workaround that will help you consolidate projects and keep your workflow smooth. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a quick tip to avoid messy duplicates. So, let's get right into it. First, log into your Asana account by heading to asana.com and entering your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the project that holds the tasks you want to move. Now, click on a task, and in the Task Details panel, look for the section called Projects. You'll see an option that says Add to Projects. This is the key step. Select the project you want those tasks to appear in, the destination project. Once you do this, that task will now live in both projects. Repeat the process for other tasks you want to bring over. And here's the beauty. The task details, comments, and attachments remain intact, so nothing gets lost in the shuffle. At this point, you've essentially merged your projects. Everything is visible in one consolidated location. If you want to clean things up and avoid duplication, just head back into the task details and click the X next to the original project's name. That way, the task only stays in your new consolidated project. The big takeaway here is that while Asana doesn't allow a one-click merge, this method gives you the same end result, a streamlined, unified project where all your tasks are easy to track and manage. It's a simple hack that can reduce clutter and make your workspace feel far more organized. So if you've been overwhelmed by managing too many Asana projects, try this out. You'll instantly feel the difference in productivity. And that's it for today's guide. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Asana and productivity hacks, and check out the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.